You know what's strange? We spend more than a decade in school learning formulas, dates, and theories. Yet almost nobody teaches us how money actually grows. Most people graduate knowing how to work for money, but not how to make money work for them. So the typical path looks like this. You get your first job, start earning a paycheck, pay your rent, cover your bills, and maybe save a little money in a bank account. But the problem isn't effort. The problem is missing knowledge. Because building wealth has very little to do with how much money you earn. It has everything to do with what you do with the money you earn. One of the biggest mistakes people make is believing investing is complicated or only for experts. So they wait. They wait until they feel smarter, richer, or more confident before they begin. But time is the single most powerful force in investing, and waiting quietly destroys that advantage. Imagine two people who are both 25 years old. The first person starts investing $200 every month starting today. The second person waits 10 years and then invests $400 every month instead. Even though the second person invests more money overall, the first person usually ends up with more wealth. Why? Because compound interest rewards time more than it rewards large contributions. When your investments grow and begin generating returns on those returns, money starts multiplying itself. That's the real engine behind long-term wealth building. Another strategy many people never learn is index fund investing. Instead of trying to guess which company will succeed, index funds allow you to own hundreds of companies at once. Over long periods, the overall market has historically grown around 10% per year. When that growth compounds for decades, the results become enormous. You don't need to be rich to begin investing. You simply need to start investing so time can begin working for you. Consistency and patience are what truly build wealth. Financial freedom isn't motivation, it's structure. If you're ready to see how the system truly works, follow for real strategy.